minute. All right, what's up? We're gonna get started in a minute, guys. All right. All right. Okay, so can someone type in the chat, make sure they see my screen and they hear my audio? All right. All right, so we have people that's starting to come in, so that's great. All right. So, all right, guys, so you should now see my screen. So we're gonna get started in a second. We have people joining us. So welcome everybody to this webinar. We're gonna get started in a second. And this webinar is called How to Become a Profitable Forex Trader almost overnight with these 3 trading secrets without spending 10,000 hours watching the chart. So I'm just gonna make sure that we have audio and video, and we're gonna get started right away. So just let me know in the chat if we have audio and video working. All right. All right, so we're gonna get started. So this webinar is how to become a profitable Forex trader almost overnight with these 3 trading secrets. We have someone in the chat, so I'll just make sure everything is okay. All right, that's great. All right, so let me tell you a quick story, guys. This is the photo of a farmer. It says, I planted a seed, but I did not get a crop in 30 days. So it must be a scam. So the reason why we're saying this here is because we're going to show you how to become a profitable Forex trader, but using this, you're not going to become rich overnight, right? We're not telling you that you're going to start with $200 and go to 1 million in 3 months. Result disclaimer, guys. So we're just gonna get started with that, get that out of the way. So yes, we started with $700 and we flipped out to over 500K. So everything is possible, but we don't believe in get rich quick systems. Speculative trading has large potential reward, but also large potential risk. Leverage is a double-edged sword, and high degree of leverage can work against you. Blah blah blah. Golden option may express or utilize testimonials or description or past performance. these results and performance are not typical, and you should not expect to achieve the same or similar result or past performance, blah, blah, blah. So basically what that means, guys, is results are not typical, so just don't be typical, okay? So we have at Golden Option 312 students and more than 700 clients in the past that have took either a course or a signals, and we have client and student from over 52 countries in the world. So today we're going to talk about Forex trading and basically all speculative market, guys. So if you're into crypto, into stock market, it's going to work as well. So who is this for? It's for complete beginners. It's for new traders. It's for seasoned traders. It's for college or uni student. It's for employees. It's for people who are retired as well. It's for digital nomad like myself, people living the laptop lifestyle. And this is for entrepreneur as well. So before we get started, I just want to talk a little bit about myself. My name is Joe. I'm co-owner at Golden Option, and I'm going to be doing the first part of the presentation today. And we're also going to have Kevin that's going to join us a little bit later. And we're going to talk about my story and Golden Option story in a second, in a few minutes. So 90% of Forex traders lose 90% of their account balance in their first 90 days, guys. But we at Golden Option, we are the other way around. So we're going to show you how to become a profitable Forex trader almost overnight with these 3 trading secrets that you're going to learn in this webinar without spending 10,000 hours plus watching the chart. And the exact strategy that we use to flip a $700 account to over 500K plus in less than 2 years. So my goal for this web class, the only way for you to become a profitable Forex trader is through mentoring, guys. And number 2 is to make you understand that the only way to become a profitable Forex trader is through learning from someone who already did it, aka mentoring, guys. So why are we qualified to teach you this stuff? Well, first of all, here we have some MyFX book verified account. You can see at the left there's a 181.91% growth in a few months, in a half of year, about that. And at the right we have a 400% account. At the left here we have $998.51 made in a single day trading Euro USD. At the right, we have one of our students that got himself a Dom Perignon bottles and that sent me an Instagram story to show me that. We got over here $21,621.69 US made basically, I think it was in a week or in a few days. Couple of trade. At the right, $15,122 trade. And last year also, when we had the crypto boom, you can see over here, this is Litecoin, Ripple. We got a $2,668 account to over $10,000 in a matter of a few days or weeks. So how we got started 2 years ago. So 2 years ago, personally, I was $20,000 in student debt, in student loan, sorry, and credit card debt. All I wanted basically was to make $1,500, $2,000 per month working from home. And I was going to school. I wanted to become a real estate agent. And basically, my story 2 years ago, just 2 years ago, I had to pay rent, pay food, pay for buses and taxi, pay to go to school, but I was making $800 per month. That's what my student loan was giving me. So I just couldn't accept that this is gonna be like my life, surviving, eating bad food, walking in the slow, to get to a school that is like putting me more and more in debt. So at that time, like I said, I was going to a school. I wanted to become a real estate agent, and I waited for 6 to 9 months just to do the actual course and everything at school. That took me about another 6, 7 months. So that's about a year and a half. That cost me about a few $1,000 just for that and everything. And at the end, I realized basically that I couldn't become a real estate agent because I didn't have any money anymore to survive, just to survive. And becoming a real estate agent, you need to like pay $1,000 per month to the agency and for everything just to get started, plus another $3,000 to get your license. So that wasn't possible for me at the time. So my dream was crushed. And yeah, at that time, all I wanted is make $1,500, $2,000 per month working from home. And I came at a breaking point where, like I said, I didn't have no money anymore coming in. I couldn't get more student loan or credit card because it was over. Like everything, I've done all the school and everything, and I've maxed out my credit card. So fortunately, at that time, I came across this dude named Gary V that you probably heard about, and he was talking about Instagram marketing. And why I'm talking about Instagram, you're probably asking, isn't it supposed to be about Forex? And yes, so let me tell you why both things go together for me. So you probably heard about us on Instagram, and that's because I saw that Instagram was like super, it was getting popular, and it was a key for the future for the business. And I just started posting some motivation posts, and I came across this thing called Forex very soon, because you probably know, if you're on Instagram, that there's a lot of people talking about Forex, posting about Forex. So I started trading, like probably like all of you guys. Like, I follow some people on Instagram. I watch their Instagram story. At first there was no Instagram story. Actually, I was going on YouTube, watching some YouTube videos. Some people buy books. Some people, at the time, Snapchat was popular before Instagram story. And that's pretty much how everyone started trading Forex, right? And I did the same thing. But also at that time, there was my cousin, and I didn't know at that time. I didn't talk to him at that time. He was a little bit younger than me, and he had paid a mentor a very high amount of money to learn how he made his first million trading Forex. And like I said, I didn't know that. And he practiced after learning from that mentor on a demo account for about 10 months. And he blew a lot of demo accounts when he was practicing. But after 10 months, he got his own strategy, and he started on a live account. And he flipped very fast, $700 to over $30,000 in a matter of like 3 weeks or 3 months. I don't remember exactly. And after that, he withdrew some money, as a lot of you would do. And as I would have probably do that as well. And he withdrew some money, and he restarted with a little bit less, a few thousand, and he flipped that again. And it started going very well and very well. It was like, damn, like I'm killing it. And people start asking him like, oh, let's do that. So he started Golden Option, and he started a free Telegram channel. And on my side at that moment, I was learning how to make money on Instagram, how to grow Instagram account. I was learning about social media marketing. And we came at a point about 2 years ago, not even 2 years ago, start of 2017. January 2017. We talked, and the word Forex came into the conversation, and I said, oh yeah, you're trading Forex. He said, yeah, I'm actually trading Forex and I'm doing pretty well. We have this little free Telegram channel as well. We're sending some Forex signals for free and it's going crazy. We did 1,500 pips, I think, in 2 weeks, something like that. And I said, like, you're sure it's not like 150 pips? He said, no, man, it's 1,500. And I said, can you show me a chart? Like, what is 150 pip and what is 1,500 pip for you? And he was right. He really did 1,500 pip. And I was like, damn, you're really good for real. And that's where I really started believing in him as well. And I talked to him. So let me get a little bit of water. We talked a little bit, and I told him, I think I can do something with Instagram and your little business you got here going on. And we started an Instagram account called Golden Option Trading. And we started very slow. And the plan basically, what if we help other people achieve success and happiness and time freedom like us? So that was the plan. And on my side, I basically went back at my father's basement, and I was just working on golden option like all day long in 2017. And the only thing we realized is in this niche is full of people promising you like crazy impossible return, and it will be hard to gain trust of people. And so after almost 2 years, we have, like we said, more than 312 students that have bought our course that is constantly making profit from the market. And we grew our Instagram account to 40,000 followers plus. You probably saw that. And we are one of the biggest brand in the world when we talk about Forex. I learned something in all those years of trading Forex. I learned that most people overestimate what they can do in a day, and they underestimate what they can do in 10 years or even in 1 year. So I was like that. So after 2 years, I discovered the hard way. Because why I discover after 2 years the hard way? Because you don't know you're doing the hard way until you found the easy way. So most people, and I mean 99.9% of them, start by thinking they can achieve on their own, watching free YouTube video and following gurus on Instagram stories and free Telegram channels and Snapchat, and that is just gonna take a little bit more time and they're gonna succeed. That's what they look like at first, right? They're super smart, but it's wrong, super wrong, and that's what they end up looking like. I end up looking. I blew many trading accounts. I invested many thousands of dollars losing them, sometimes very fast. And that's because I didn't all the stupid mistake, like over trading, over leveraging, over too big, lot size, trying to revenge trade. So if you've been struggling, this is probably why. But this is not your fault, because it's the industry that is like that. It's made like that. It's not made for you to win, basically. So that's why we want to help people win, because at the moment, most of the winner in this industry are banks and big like hedge fund, and you have, like we said, 5–10% of regular trader that are winning. So our goal at Golden Option is trying to get that number up. So we're gonna put a little video. I think it's I'm pretty sure it's a 2-minute video, and there's 1 or 2 testimonials in that. So we're gonna continue after that.
What up, guys? I'm Nick. I'm from Golden Option Trading. In the past year, I've been able to make over 6 figures in trading the Forex market. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just follow my daily trading and come with me.
Just today, I made over $400, which covered my monthly fee. So I'm definitely gonna keep investing with them. They've been the best I've found so far.
Yo guys, so I'm making this video to talk about golden option trading. This is the best VIP signals I see. This one, I've been with them since last Monday, so 1 week. And I've already doubled my account this morning.
Kevin was taking notes during our presentation. And I told him right away, this is what the people, the 7-figure earners do, take notes. All right, so I'm just gonna get back in the chat. Just make sure that everything is all right. All right, everything seems under control. Perfect. So we're gonna continue. So the hard way, aka what we've been forced, and I'm talking about like regular trader for the past 15 years, basically since the internet got started and people were able to trade online. People are following many Telegram channels, follow dozens of Snapchat and stories, blow your account 5 times. They follow a trillion of YouTube channel, subscribe to a private newsletter, buy an online course, buy a private mentoring. And personally, my upfront cost to learn all this stuff was $13,217 of money lost invested in all of that. And how many times? I don't know, but it's a lot. So my partner, Kevin, certified golden option trading mentor, is going live in just 2 minutes to show you the 3 trading secret to become a profitable Forex trader almost overnight. So I hope you're gonna enjoy that, and I will see you after that. At the end, we have a bonus at the end for people that will stay until the end of this presentation. So Kevin, you can take it away. So Kevin, you can take it away, my friend.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Do you hear me?
Yep.
Excellent. So, guys, good evening. The ones who are in the region of Montreal of Canada. I'm super excited about tonight. So I'm very happy and grateful to be here with you all tonight. We have 23 people on this webinar. It's wonderful for a Friday night, guys. You know, some decide to go outside and just party and just decide to do things that waste their time, they waste their money, their energy. But you guys are here with us tonight, so shout out to you. A big shout out to you guys. I'm really impressed about this compromise that you've made with yourselves. So first things first. So please be patient with the connection. I don't know why. I have like a really high internet, but it's kind of bugging a bit, and my account is kind of logging off and logging in unexpectedly. So please be patient with this. Guys, to make it fast about myself, so my name is Kevin again, and I'm a 21-year-old Forex trader. I'm your golden option top educator for the ones who have taken course with me. And tonight I'm going to show to you 3 secrets that we use and that actually make us a profitable company and allow us to spread the right and proper knowledge to other traders out there and make them profitable as us. So just to make sure everybody is listening, can you just, you know, comment anything, either yes, either cool, anything on the chat, please, just to make it fast. All right. Excellent, my friend. Therefore, we're going to start with the information. So guys, we're golden option, as you already know. I'm going to turn off my camera just for a moment because of the lighting you see. I have 2 desktops. So I have a big desktop you're seeing right now, and I have my own from which I control basically everything. So I'm going to turn off my personal camera and going to get back to you. So you guys already know about us. So our CEO, a top educator, Nicholas, he's a tremendous guy. He has been allowing us to be possible till today. He's a multiple 5-figure a month professional Forex trader at only 22 years old. It's incredible. And, you know, he enters in the category of like 0.0001 of the people who have this amazing and crazy success at this young age, of course. And, you know, it's all possible for all of you. And I'm going to show you how tonight. And, of course, our wonderful and so professional market director, Jonathan. Thank you so much, brother, for introducing me and allowing this for me to be possible for all of us. It's really a big part because of you.
Thanks a lot, man.
And he's also a 6-figure a year professional marketing consultant. But, you know, guys, he's too humble to say it. So I'll do it. That's what I did it for him. And, of course, your server, your helper, your guide right here, myself. So I'm a golden option top.
We have a little problem with the sound, so it's gonna get back in a second, guys. Give Kevin a few seconds, and the sound is gonna get back.
I hope it came back, because I don't know, for myself
it just came
works
back.
all
It just
perfectly.
came back, bro. It just came back. We good.
Much. So yeah, excellent. I'll keep going, and if anything, we have the recording, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience that I might not be aware of. So you all guys know about the stock market, but also the forex market. We all exchange. We are all participants into the forex market, since when we decide to go to travel in a foreign country, we have to exchange our dollars, our Canadian dollars in this case here in Canada, for USD dollars, for Japanese currency, for Japan yen, or for British, the Great British Pound. So there are all big currencies out there that are specific to each market, to each national economy. So the forex market is similar to the stock market. However, the speculations are based on the exchange rate of currency pairs, and also precious metals that are included in the forex market, such as gold and silver, as you already know, guys. But in the stock market, the opposite is that the stock price is based on the valuation of the value of the companies. How is it going personally? So it's not here about the stock price of a company, but rather how good is a foreign economy going, and that's what makes the fluctuations or downwards movements into a currency. What are the advantages of the forex trading? Of course, there's so many. Like, we have been blessed to have a democratized market, such as the forex market, which is, it's available to all of us, to anybody who has an internet connection, who can sign up with a broker and just learn the skill to make it happen for themselves, of course. So the forex market is very volatile. It's easy access, as I told you. You don't even have to go through government. No big things or long things to get access to it. It's very lucrative. I know in this business model, people who make from 1,000 a week or a month to 100,000 a week or a month, and it's not about like the scammers out there. They're very, very expert, world. Very few people, of course, but they exist. They still exist, and these people can make up to $100,000, $1 million per month. It's crazy because there's no cap. There's no maximum to what your earnings can be. And losses are controlled too. It's not like in the stock market, whether a stock crashes and you lose all your funds with it. In here, we have what's called stop loss. We have managing tools to avoid losing more than what we are willing to lose, of course. And unlimited potential gains, as I told you. It's simply revolutionary for all of us, the individuals who have a better way out there to make it happen for us and to get the life we want. It is simpler than the stock market, in my opinion. So this is another big advantage for you. It's a really reliable industry, because let's be true about this. Tomorrow, the next year, in the next decade, or whether I believe in the next century, the forex market is not going to disappear, because we're all really dependent on our currencies, our money, our national paper bills. Therefore, the forex market is here to stay. And my question to you: why not making it advantageous for yourself, right? So it's not going to be disappearing as any other company who's trying to bring and just reinvent the wheel, as we say. So trying to do something different that might not stick to the market and to people's habits. Here, the forex market, it's here to stay. It has been there for not the forex as a whole, but currency bills, paper bills, coins. We have been using these for hundreds of years, and right now we have the ability to take advantage from it through our laptop, just by having a computer, laptop, and internet connection. So that's wonderful for the average person to get massive rewardings out of it. And something really particular and better than the stock market is that, The stock market closes every day at 4, 5 in the afternoon, New York time, but the Forex market is a 24-hour market, 5.5 days a week. So from Sundays in the afternoon till Fridays around 5 in the afternoon. So it's really like Fridays after 5 till Sunday 5 that we rest, that we have like, you know, our break to enjoy for ourselves. But it's a crazy lifestyle that you can still have because you can bring your laptop anywhere with you, right, guys? And it's just wonderful about this. And it doesn't even, it's a business model as I've never seen in my entire career as an entrepreneur, because every business has to have a product, a service. You know, you have to make sales, you have to talk to people, you have to interact, you have to make your marketing. It's just like the fundamental to everything. But you know, in this case, in the Forex market, if you decide to just stay in your room and to stick to a proven course that I'm going to talk to you, which is one of the 3 secrets that I'm going to reveal to you to start on the right track, on the right foot, the proper way, then you know you can make it happen for yourself, just from your room with your computer alone. No bullshit and no talk to anybody, no interaction, just laser focus on yourself and developing your skills. So the currencies, we have many. We have like the euro, we have the US dollar, we have the Swiss franc, we have the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, and the Japanese yen. And something important to know about the Forex market is that it's not the comparison. We do not compare. We just don't take one currency at a time. We compare them. So we take 2 currencies and we compare them, and that's how we trade. And we call these the Forex currency pairs. The currency is the money used in a specific country, as I told you, which is exchanged or traded as you may prefer, meaning that's how we make the comparison out of them. And we also have our gold right here, but also silver. What is a pip? So the pip, you already know what is it, guys, most of you. So it's the 4th digit into a interest rate between 2 currency pairs. So in this case, the Great Britain pound and US dollar, there's the bid and the ask price that I'm going to talk about more in advance. And the 4th digit that you see in the interest rate that compares these 2 currencies. So in this case, to have the interest rate that you see right here is how much of the second currency pair you can get with the main one. So in this case, I can buy 1.35 US dollars with 1 unit, one whole of a Great Britain pound. So 1 Great Britain pound equals 1.35. And in this case, the 4th digit, it's called a pip. For all pairs, including the ones with GPY.
Bro, that's
excluding
all right.
my mistake, the ones with GPY, the pip is.
Let's get on the chart, bro. We don't care about that.
Perfect. Chart right here. So here you see the currency yen, the yen, the Japanese, and you see the interest rate right here. So here,
we're losing your audio, Kevin. Bear with us, guys. We're losing your audio, Kevin, and I think your screen is frozen on the slide. What is a pips? But anyway, guys, we're gonna show you the real trading secret. I know you know. I think you all know about that. So let's just fast forward a little bit the introduction to trading, bro, and let's get really into the first trading secret, which is having a proven winning strategy. So let's go ahead, my man. We don't hear your audio, Kevin. No audio.
All right, do you hear me now? It's really disturbing, but
it's good
perfect.
now.
It's just logging out and logging in as I don't know why my connection is strong, but it just does this. So perfect. I was telling guys that the Forex market is wonderful because anybody can be part of it. So either young person, young woman or man. So there's no restrictions about this. Anybody can make it happen regardless of their age or their gender. And something I want to really let you know is that I've invested thousands of hours and thousands of dollars trying to learn how to trade this magnificent industry right here, which is the Forex trading. And through my experience, which is 2+ years, nothing has made my way to really build my skill set and allow me to become profitable, except one thing, which is the golden option course. Like the videos, everything that Nick and Jonathan have been able to provide. Been able to have my breakthrough because of these, because one of the among the 3 secrets that I wanted to reveal to you tonight. So the first one is the proven winning strategy, guys. So you don't have to just go on YouTube and type anything out there to try to learn how to trade the Forex, because you're going, free content doesn't work. Free content is not built up in order for you to really learn what's necessary to get into your mind to trade the Forex market. You really have to pay the price. In all aspects of life, you really have to pay the price, either financially, either with time, either with sacrifices. So my price to pay was to buy the golden option course and go through it through the dozens of hours. And right now my skill set has been better than ever, because with the golden option strategy, it allowed myself to just copy the profitability, the skill set of Nicholas and Nick, and right now make myself a part of the golden option team that I've never thought before. So this is really revolutionary, and it doesn't have to happen just for me, but it's all up to you guys to make a decision. And the second secret that I wanted to reveal, it's to have the proper tools. So right here, guys, I'm just going to shut down my camera again. You all see, guys, right here, my screen, my trading view. So you have absolutely to get access to this, which is a free tool to make your analysis. So tradingview.com. Take this and note for sure, guys, because no other tool to analyze is better than this one. So you want to make sure to have this one. And how do we calculate, how do we make sure to have a correlation to build your tool set? So you also have to have make these two in notes of my tradingview.com, my FX book, because so next loading. All right, guys, hope it works and you're still listening. So once you go on MyFX, you want home on to view the economic news. So we have low. And this is one of the tools you want to have for yourself to know when to not be into the market. And the second one is Forex calculator right here. So the Forex calculator, you want to go afterwards in position size calculator. And here you're going to compute the balance you're trading with. And you're going to put your risk ratio, which is not more than 5%. And the number of pips you're willing to lose. And that's going to give you your lot. Right here, it gives you your proper lot. So if you have a balance like less, it gives you the proper lot always to a maximum of 5%. And that's how you are going to use these two tools. So MyFX book, economic news, and position size calculator to complement with your trading to have a good risk management. So right now I'm going to show you fast what are the really the basic about the trend lines, about right here, okay, the trend line, the support, resistance, how you're going to implement this. So, you know, something you really want to know in the Forex market is that when the market is trending, let's say that there is an uptrend, what is the characteristic of an uptrend is that price will make highs, lows, but the coming highs are going to be higher than the previous one. So this high right here is higher than this one, and this low here is lower than this one. So this one has been higher than this, and that's how you see that the market is either trending up on the upside or on the downside. And what usually happens after you know, a higher there's a higher high, when market is going to pull back, it's going to pull back near the previous high. So in this case, market, it raised, it corrected, it raised again and impulsed. And where did it correct? Besides along the same level as the previous high. And what is going to happen? Market then raised again and will eventually decide to come back down. So it's going to retrace again at some point and go about the same level as the previous high right here. So that's how you determine whether market is going up or down. So it works for the same sides. So when, you know, market is either about to reverse, it's going to make you some signs of it. So in this case, market will stop making higher highs and boom, just start doing lower highs and lower lows. So same principle right here. You saw this was the last high right here. So market didn't overcome higher this level. It rather decided to reverse, to change direction, and it went down. So boom, it went down to make a lower high as compared to this one right here, and push back down to make a lower low than this one. You see right here? So this one was the leading low right here. And what did market do? It decided to do a lower level. So that's how you notice that we're in the presence of a bearish market. And where did it correct? It usually corrects alongside the same level as the previous low right here. So the previous broken support that now became resistance. And what it did do, it did the same thing. So after the pullback, it just pushed downwards, corrected, and came to retrace about to the last support, which is now new resistance, and so on and so forth. So this is what you really want to know how to read the market. This is one of the fundamentals. And at Golden Option, we provide you a full course and a 4-week training webinars to recordings to allow you to just master and learn how to read this and be in harmony with the market. So right now that we've gone through the two first secrets, so the first one in which is the proven strategy, which is the golden option strategy that has allowed Nicholas to make more than $500,000 in the previous 3 years. Right now, I've given to you, I've shared with you my tools that I use to make to have my perfect toolbox to trade. So I have my trading view, I have my FX book, economic calendar to view the news and to know where, when to be outside of the market, and we have our position size calculator to know how to take a proper lot and not risk more than you're willing to, right? So right now I'm going to reveal the third secret about our golden option secrets that we have right here, and that makes us different in the market, which is the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is a tremendous tool that I'm going to talk to you right now, but I want just to make a fast test that everybody's listening. So please type anything in the chat, anything. I'll just see that there are messages bumping in if you still listen to me. So please write anything. And Joe, my marketing director, do you hear me still?
Yeah, man, we're good. I still hear you.
Excellent, my man. Thank you for confirming with me.
Yes, sir. And you can talk a little bit if you want about. I'm real fast. I'm gonna talk about. Well, actually, no. That's good, bro. You can just talk about the third secret, and that's good.
Perfect. So I was going through this one. So the third and last Fibonacci tool, the last secret for tonight is the Fibonacci tool. So the Fibonacci tool also along with the Fibonacci secret, like the tool we have, there's something which is called the golden ratio. So right here, if I plot just like this a Fibonacci tool, you see that there are going to be some levels right here. And, the 100, 88.6, the 78.6, and all the other 50, 38.2, 23.6. But something you really want to pay close attention to, and I'm not going to spoil all of you guys because you have to pay the price, is still to take a look about this level, the 61.8, which we call the golden ratio. The golden ratio, what is the Fibonacci? Just fastly explain. And you really need to learn this secret tool that all profitable Forex traders are using, because this is a really efficient, this is a really out of common tool that just makes the difference in your trading. And that's what at Golden Option we have the expertise of, and that's why if I would have to give my success and the Golden Option success on a specific component, to use proper level of the Fibonacci tool. So just get this into your mind, guys, and be curious about it. And that's why we have built an entire and full self-explanatory and fluent guide for you guys to know how to use this secret tool. So in this case, I'm going just to plot it right here as I would draw it properly. So this is not like, a random drawing. So if I plot from here, this lowest point to this highest point. So from a low point, like, you know, nothing's lower than this point, till a high level right here. So you see this rising move right here, right? Boom, you see this full move right here, right? Like this long move before it just like went down, right? So I plotted my Fibonacci level from the bottom low, like, you know, as low as I could till the highest right here, before the market went down. And what do you see? The price eventually just decided to come right here, right down on my golden ratio level right here. You see, price just went to touch it and then boom, raised. If you had known that, you know, you had known how to use the Fibonacci tool, like, you know, as a second nature, you knew the secrets of it, you would have caught an amazing trade, because from here, if you had decided to go long around this level and aim at the previous high right here, that would have been a 600 pips. And by the way, 600 pips, that, guys, that's what we caught in the previous week at golden option. So we ended it 2018 by killing it massively with 600 pips trade in our Forex VIP Forex signals. So just wanted to let you know about this. And you know, if you had caught this trade because you have been aware how to use this Fibonacci tool as well as we use it at golden option, you could have been the lucky person to get a 600 pip trade right here. And I'm going to just plot another one. So let's say from this example, all right, so I did it from this lowest point to this highest point. Let's do it from this point. No, better than that. From this low point, so in the reverse. So I'm going to take the highest point I can here. So, you know, here there was an uptrend right here, but the highest point that it reached was here. So boom, I'm going to take this high that stands out for himself, and I'm going to take the same low right here that stands out for himself, because, you know, price didn't overcome this level lower, right? So just plotting this right here, you see that price, when it went up till what? The golden ratio, the 61.8 value right here. 61.8, and boom, it went down. Same here, guys. If you had known how to use properly the Fibonacci tool, you could have been the person who would benefit of 315 pips trade, which is crazy, depending on your lot size, right? And a last one about the Fibonacci tool right here. Again, I plotted on the same manner. So here in going through December, I decided to plot it from a high right here that I had with this big wick that you can see this week right here, and then to the lowest point with this wick right here again, which is a low point, low point. And then what did price do? It raised it till, of course, our golden ratio, the 61.8, and then it went down, guys. And on this trade, guys, we actually took this trade at golden option, and we made some big profits out of it, because we knew how to use the tool properly and really take close attention to this ratio, which is the golden ratio, 61.8. And guys, just with this trade, if you had entered here, not even at the beginning, like, you know, this full downwards move, if you had lost like half of it, so from here to here, you had lost all this movement, but cost from here till the current low that it closed this afternoon, you could have been taking still 431 pips and 30 pips ish. So that's wonderful, because more than 100 pips per trade, that's just massive for you, and your lot depends on it. So guys, this is life-changing for us, because at Golden Option, what do we offer for you? First, we offer quality, which is the main important fundamental component of anything, because out there are really a lot of scammers on IG, Instagram, on Facebook, on Snapchat. But at Golden Option, our success is reflected on your success. So the more you succeed, guys, the more we succeed. And that's how our proven winning strategy that was shared with all our 100 of students have allowed them to become successful and systematically elevate our testimonials, elevate our own reputation. And second secret that I repeat, guys, who have the proper tools, these ones were just like, a sneak peek of them. So we have our tradingview.com that you want to make sure to note, our my FX book, where to find right now the economic news, and the position size calculator for yourself, and and use them to have a proper risk management. And right now, guys, I give you a sneak peek of our Fibonacci tool and the holds. And Fibonacci is not about only trading. Fibonacci, just to finish with this, is a revolutionizing thing, because the Fibonacci is found anywhere in the world. The golden ratio, the 61.8 value, is found in the number of petals that a flower has. Like, start counting flowers, start researching about this. You'll find out for yourself that the Fibonacci golden ratio is found even in nature, with the number of petals in body proportions. So I've read this years ago, that if you divide this part of your arm by this part, so this whole your forearm by this size of your hand, and then the fingers, you have the part 1 here, you have part 2 from here to your fingers, and from your fingers till the end of them, 3, you divide this, you have the golden ratio mystically, the 61.8 is going to appear again. You have in the shells of snails, and when you go on the beach and you take a shell, the spirals also hide the Fibonacci golden ratio 61.8. Even the galaxy, our galaxy, in astronomy, they found the golden ratio too. In our molecules, in our DNA, the golden ratio appears still. In hurricanes, the shape of them and everything. Go search about this. But Fibonacci is everywhere around us, and it is a proven thing, since it has been everywhere. And it's kind of a, don't take this for granted, but it's kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy. But it's I would say more a highly successful rate proportion. So the 61.8 appears, and in this industry, in the Forex trading market, we decide to take advantage of it. So that's what makes our success too. And guys, my part has been about this tonight. I'm so happy and grateful to have been able to show you just a sneak peek, a really fast pace. I know, guys, but we have so much content to come up with afterwards with my market director, Joe. And if you guys want to know more about this, please contact us, through our Instagram, our messages, our email, and we'll be glad to help you to succeed the next level. And just decide to take the right vehicle, which is the golden option, and elevate your trading to the next level, guys. Thank you so much for everything.
All right, thanks a lot. So guys, like Kevin just said, if I follow a mentor, then I will win. It's the way to go. So let me ask you a question. Are you ready to start living the life you deserve the lifestyle you deserve. What you're gonna get today if you want to join us at Golden Option Trading Accelerator. What is Trading Accelerator and why we created Trading Accelerator? Well, first of all, like we said, we wanted to help people live a lifestyle like us and be able to basically quit their 9-to-5 and just make that $1,500, $2,000 per month to quit their job. And that's the main reason, guys. So first of all, real fast recap of what you're gonna get with the Trading Accelerator. So first of all, you're getting the strategy of Nicholas, which took his $700 account to over $500,000 in Forex and crypto, and you'll get all his strategies. So we've perfected that for 2 years. If you've been following our Forex signals, you know that this year, for example, we had 11 winning months and 1 losing month. We made more than 200 pips per week in average. So besides that, you're gonna get a whole bunch of other things with our strategy and with this online training, and that's what I'm gonna present to you right now. So the first bonus that you're gonna get today is Kevin. So Kevin is gonna hold a private Telegram conversation just with a member of the Trading Accelerator, and we're talking about a 24/7 conversation in Telegram where you can ask questions, where you can post your chart, where you can see other people what they're doing, and you can have access to Kevin 24/7. And we're gonna show a few testimonials and case study of people that have followed our signals and our course, our strategy. So we got Nathan here. Hey Joe, just halfway through the intro, and the grind on my face is unwipeable. This is dope AF. Love it. The way you guys have broken down the chart, I must say it's one of the best way, if not the best I've ever seen. Most other people overcomplicate it, but this is such an easier understanding. What a good strategy. Ahmed just bought the online course. Can describe how much I appreciate what you do. Already been in the signals for 2 months. Now it paid off since day 1. Carlos, I've been trading for 1.5 years, 6 months with Go, and I've tried several different trading education programs, but Go goes above and beyond all of them. We have 2 little testimonials video. It's about 30-40 seconds each. So let's listen to that.
Yo guys. So I'm making this video to talk about golden option trading. This is the best VIP signals. I see this one. I've been with them since last Monday, so 1 week, and I've already doubled my account. And this morning, yo guys. Cool. So I'm making this video.
Sorry about that.
This one, I've been with them since last Monday, so 1 week, and I've already doubled my account. And this morning, I made $300 of profit with very good risk management and stuff. Yeah, if you've seen this, just don't think about it. Just join, and you're gonna see that you're gonna make some money.
All right, got another one.
Hi guys, I just wanted to share my experience with golden option. It's been a couple of weeks since I joined, and just today I made over $400, which covered my monthly fee. So I'm definitely gonna keep investing with them. They've been the best I found so far. I've lost some money with a couple of other guys selling similar alerts, but this one are solely on point. So thumbs up for them. Let's keep making some more money.
So who this work for? So this is going to work for complete beginner, experienced trader, scalping, day trading, swing trading, crypto trading, stock trading, new trader, seasoned trader, trader that I've been trading since a while, but still not profitable. College and uni student, employee, retire, digital nomad like myself, entrepreneur, stay at home mom and dad. So earlier we said that 90% of Forex traders lose 90% of their money in less than 90 days. Well, at Golden Option is the other way. 90% of our students succeed. You don't have a mentor yet, don't worry. One of the first thing, like I said, you're getting with the Trading Accelerator is a private mentor. So you're going to get the Trading Accelerator program that is worth $2,397. Okay. Then the secret number 2 that Kevin talked real fast is the tool that we're using. But one of the tools that he didn't talk about, and we're going to share with you in the course, is our Forex broker and the platform you're using. So most people don't know that, but basically the broker that you're using is going to make or break your trading. So here's what our member get with the secret broker that we're using: a true 𝐸CN account. So what a true 𝐸CN account is. So you're going to get a real account with real live price, and your broker cannot change the price. You're going to get lower spread from 0.0. You're going to get a account manager. So that means you can email, Skype your account manager anytime if you have question. You're going to get a secret platform. So many traders trade with MetaTrader 4. That's a great platform when you're getting started. But real trader, real professional trader, they don't trade with MetaTrader 4. So I'll just look at the chat real fast just to make sure everything is all right. All right. So the real traders they're not trading with MetaTrader 4. They're trading with a secret platform that only a few broker can give you access to. And we're going to show you exactly which broker you can get it and what is the platform. Okay. And a bunch of other things and perks that you're going to get, and I'm going to talk about a little bit. So you're going to be able to get rid of all the blow account, all the time you thought like I'm going to learn that by myself, and all the bad time. You can get rid of that. You can get rid of the Instagram account. You can get rid of the magic trick that the gurus are pulling out of their app. And you will be able to basically get rid of Instagram stories, Snapchat, gurus, YouTube video, online course, technical analysis video, blow account, bad emotion, shady broker, big drawdown, time wasted, and 10,000 plus chart hour, and so much more. So how to become a profitable Forex trader almost overnight with these 3 trading secrets without spending 10,000 hours plus on the chart. So would you like to save 2 years plus and 10,000 plus hours? If you're concerned about the broker that I just talked about, don't worry. No matter how little money you got, or which country you're from, or which method deposit payment you need, we got a broker that will work for you. Now, what's the pain and the cost of keeping the same broker, the same strategy, losing the money? It's a lot. So what you're gonna get, the Trading Accelerator program, it's a value of $2,397. You're gonna get 3 powerful strategy for passive investing, Forex trading, and digital marketing, because when you join us, you can also make money promoting everything that we offer. So this is the Trading Accelerator, but it will get way better than that. So we're going to show you everything that is inside the Trading Accelerator. So you will get a 4 recorded live webinar training of 2 hours plus, taking you from beginner to an expert and how to trade efficiently the Forex and crypto market with a golden option mentor. You're gonna get 3 powerful strategies. So our strategy for passive investing, our strategy for Forex trading, and our digital marketing strategy. You're gonna get the Fibonacci trading secret reveal. You're gonna get our private broker and secret platform to step up your trading game to the next level. You're gonna get to trade with a golden option mentor every day in a group chat and ask your question during market hour, post your chart and connect with other traders and more. So what you're gonna get, all of that, this is $297, $2,397 of value, $2,997 of value. Fibonacci trading secret reveal is another $1,997. But of course, you're not gonna pay that. So the private broker and secret platform to step up your trading game to the next level is another $1,997 value. So we're over $8,000 at the moment. And let's do a little recap. Everything that you're gonna get, basically, it's over $10,000 with the trading accelerator. So if all this did was finally make you become a consistent, profitable Forex trader, would it be worth it? Help you learn a skill that will make you money for your lifetime. Would it be worth it? If it would give you the time freedom to work from home or anywhere in the world, would it be worth it? So when we made the program, we had 2 choices. First option, make this offer super, super, super cheap and let everyone join in. Or second option, make the price a little bit higher and give you the best program possible. So what would the end result would be for you? If one successful story is worth $2,397, okay? If you're making money consistently from the Forex market for the rest of your life, is it worth $2,397? Of course. But I will show you the true cost of what you're gonna pay today when you join us. And this isn't a cost, by the way, this is an investment because you're gonna get your money back real fast. So you can see why it's a good deal at $2,397. So it's a good deal for the general public at $2,397. But because you're special and you're with us today, we promise we will give you some bonus. You can get started now for just $297 today. You can go to bit.ly FX money now. So let's just do a recap and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started. So you're going to get the trading accelerator program for $2,397 of value. You can get 3 powerful strategy for passive investing, Forex trading, and digital marketing for $2,997 of value. You're going to get to trade with a golden option mentor, Fibonacci trading secret reveal, private broker and secret platform to step up your trading game, and all of that for $297. So you have the link right there. If you want to get started, you can go to goldenoptiontrading.com/trading accelerator. All right, goldenoptiontrading.com/trading accelerator. So right now you have 2 choices. You can do nothing and nothing will change, or second option, you can get started with a mentor and we guarantee that if you don't make a change, nothing will change. So we have a link that is easier for you, bit.ly. You can go and type in your browser now, in your web browser, and we're going to do a Q&A session after that. And we're going to show you a bonus that you get for being here. So if you go in your browser and you type in bit.ly/FX money now, you will get to the page to make the payment now. And you got the original link over here, goldenoptiontrading.com/trading accelerator. So again, what you're gonna get, trading accelerator program. So we said that this is a value of $2,397, and this is worth it. Like, this is worth it. So this is 90% off right there. But also, you're gonna get 3 powerful strategies for passive investing, forex trading, and digital marketing. So you're gonna get our crypto investment, what we're doing. You're gonna get our forex trading strategy. You're gonna get how we handle our money, and you're gonna get our digital marketing strategy, meaning that we're gonna show you exactly how to promote or offer to make some huge commission promoting it. You're also gonna trade with a golden option mentor every day in the group chat and ask your question during market hour, post your chart, and connect with other trader. Okay, so this is a $1,997 value as well. Fibonacci trading secret reveal, $1,997 value, and private broker and secret platform to step up your trading game to the next level, another $1,997 value. And you can get that for $297. For the first 10 people that buy right now, we, like we said, we'll give you, usually to get access to Kevin, you need to pay for Forex signals first of all. That is $100 US per month. And then after that, once you have paid for the Forex signals, you need to pay $50 per month if you want to get access to Kevin. So that's $150 per month if you want to get basically the signals and access to Kevin. Anyone that buys today, first 10 people, I should say, not anyone, first 10 people that buy today at this link, bit.ly/fxmoney now, will get that for free in bonus. So your first month of signals, and you'll get a conversation with Kevin. If you're already in our signals, you'll get the conversation with Kevin for free. So now let's get into some Q&A. And I'll keep that on the screen for people that wants to get the link. Okay, so give me a second, guys, and we'll get into the Q&A. All right. So if you have any question, you can post them in the chat, and I'm gonna answer that. If not, I know I have a few questions that I have here that people already asked me, so I will answer that by the time we get a few questions in the chat, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you want to get started today, guys, this is the link over here. I'm gonna stay here for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to answer your questions, so send them in the chat right now. And we're gonna get started with first of all, we're gonna recap. I saw John, he's saying that he's watching from South Africa and West Africa, sorry, Ghana, and I've been following us since over a long time, and I'm hoping to join you next year. It's past midnight, and I said, that's awesome, man. That's what winners do. You gotta be dedicated. Gulam is from Germany. That's awesome. I answer a question. Yes, we trade gold. You can trade gold with that. We got Aldo talking about support and resistance. Not sure about that question. He says, how many level of support and resistance? Not sure what you mean by that. And Kevin has put a link in the chat for a recommended Forex broker. This is the one that we're recommending for everyone. But like I said, with this broker, if you deposit $500 US, you can get 1 month for free. But you're way better off to just get the program today, and you will get that month for free as well. And we're gonna give you the secret broker that have the platform. So this is not the one over here, but still, thanks a lot, Kevin. That's a good thing. Is the other platform? Yes, the other platform is completely free. It's just that it's not every broker that has this platform. Actually, I just know 3 broker or 3 or 4 that has this platform, and I know one of them you need to deposit at least 20K just to trade with this broker and platform. So that's knocking off one right there. So I know like 2 or 3 broker you can get access to with this platform. So it's yeah, and it's gonna make or break really your trading if you don't have a good broker. I'm not saying if you don't have that exact platform, it's definitely gonna help you, because you can do a lot of things that you cannot do with other platform, like setting up multiple take profit. You can say at this level I want 20% of my trade being taken out. At the other level I want 40% of my trade being taken out, and at another level I want the other 40% taken out. So you can have multiple take profit all set up, and this is all going to be automatic. You can see all your past trade live in the chart, what the price action did. So it's way better. And the fact also when you're day trading or scalping or even swing trading, you pay a lot of spread. The spread can kill you, and sometimes you have to close your trade over the weekend because you have too big spread. You don't know what's going to happen if there's a gap on the opening of the market. But when you have super low spread or fixed spread, this is gone. You're good. You can hold your trade for the weekend. You don't have to worry about gap. You can trade any pair because there's no pair with crazy spread. I'm going to go in the chat. Okay, so I don't see any questions. So I know that I have a few people that ask some question. I pretty much cover everything, guys, but about the trading accelerator. So this is our old strategy. There's like 10 hours, and there's more than just those 4 videos. There's some bonus video showing the platform, showing the broker, and we're always putting out new content. And you can also get access. Once you have access to that, you can get access to other stuff, but you need to get started with that first to at least know our strategy, and then you can take your game to the next level. So that's it, guys. If there's no other question, I'm gonna end this. So for the first 10 people that are joining,
Last call.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
So yeah, man, if you want to say something, go ahead. Thanks a lot for this presentation, Kevin. Thanks a lot for everyone that's been on the live call, and I'm out. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend.
Have a good evening, guys. Thank you so much for everything. Don't forget the 10 first people who are going to sign up. They're going to be the privileges ones, and just decide to take massive action and make your 2019 your best year. See ya, guys. Be blessed. Have a wonderful